Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to delete your Facebook account in a couple seconds. To do this, you go into the app. Next, you click on the Settings button. Now in Settings, you select Account Center, and here you click on Personal Details. Then you click on this item, and here you select the item, Deactivation or Deletion. Then you select the account you need. Now you select the item, Delete Account. This item will help you delete the account permanently. Click Continue. Now agree that all linked pages will be deleted. Next, choose the reason for deleting the account. Press Continue. And at the end, as you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later, my friends. Bye-bye.